Kirsten, and I wanted to show you how to put in a weekly announcement. Just go to any of your Google Classrooms and you're going to navigate to classwork. You're going to click the little create button up there and you're going to choose material. And what I always do is I just type in weekly update and then the day that they're going to read it. So the day they're going to read this is probably the 31st through the 3rd. So we're going to do the 31st. And normally I type it right in here, but I didn't want you to have to watch me type. So I went in and typed it on a Google Doc and then pasted it. One thing I did want to mention is that in this particular welcome message, there's a link, and the link doesn't copy over. You have to add that one other way. So I'm just going to copy that link. And at the very bottom of the screen, there's a button that says add. And then when you click it, this pop-up menu pops up. I'm going to choose a link. And I just paste the link there, and it'll appear at the bottom of the page. Now, what I'm going to do is I don't want this to post right away. So I'm going to definitely schedule it. And so I'm going to schedule this for the 30th. And hit schedule, and that way students won't be able to see it until I'm ready for them to see it. So I hope that was helpful in setting up your weekly update.